Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to join the Baddies Discord server. Now all you need to do is launch up Discord and then come here at the bottom right. Okay, just scroll all the way down here and click on Discover. And from here you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type in this right here. Just type in Baddies and I'll show you what the official server looks like. So it's called Baddies Entertainment. This is the official server and it has over 110,000 members. I can go ahead and click on this one and just go ahead and click here on Join Baddies Entertainment. So as you can see right here, you need to first verify. Make sure you do that so you get access to the full server. Just click on this button and proceed with the verification process. Okay, and as you can see, we're verified. We have full access. We have the member role. And it's really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.